out of Camden, Ohio. And right there for Mr. Black. From Camden, Ohio, the International 1066. We go with Christianity now. The John Deere 6030. Here we go. Boys, give him a good try at the top end. Let's give him a nice round of applause to Danny Christianity, Jr. ladies. Okay, here we go now with Mark Lawler out of Hagerstown, Indiana, the 6030 John Deere. Your leader continues to be Andy Lawler. Good strong hook. Let's give him a nice round of applause. He will take over the number 2 spot, I believe, after that hook, ladies. Your leaders are the Lawyer boys. Well, folks, we'll have to take him back. We'll give Bob another chance here.
He ain't gonna do it this time, either.
4430 just not wanting to run well tonight here. Well, there you go. He's got her going. He'll close to coming out. Didn't get to start off the day. Came out in the wrong gear, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. All right, here we go with that 1155 Massey Ferguson. Here we go. Levi Fisher. The only V8 engine in the class. And right there for Levi Fisher, ladies and gentlemen, let's put your hands together. Okay, RPM's up. Here we go. Christianity ready to nail it. Go out of the starting line here and see what he can do about catching these guys at the top end.
Up and down when they go past.
He broke the axle, broke the hub off of that tractor real quick here on the top end. It's like Dan, I think, is okay, but man, he slammed it, bashed that the left rear wheel there. No doubt about it.
Good thing he had a roll cage on there.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, his feelings are hurt. A lot of damage there, but let's put our hands together. Let's give him a nice round of applause. How about it? Dan?
I've heard a lot about it. We don't use it. A lot of people do. I've heard a lot of y'all what I'm saying. It's pretty good stuff. I was going to clear it out here.
His hands got to haul his own tractor out there with his equipment. That's Tommy. Remember him? His wife. Danny there, Tony Schindler doing trip. Yeah.
Well, I think Dan's all right. I think his feelings are a little bit hurt, but I think Dan is okay. And but that's the first time that's ever happened to Dan's in his pulling career, no doubt about it. Dan will be out later on tonight with his Pro Stock tractor. The Gotta Go machine is here tonight for 10,000-pound Pro Stock competition. Will be coming up shortly. We wanted to go ahead and have this class early tonight, ladies and gentlemen. It's a little bit of an added feature. It was not originally advertised throughout the night, but they wanted to bring these guys in and let them hook. And that's what they've done here tonight, giving us a little bit of chance to kind of warm the crowd up just a little bit and get you guys excited about what's going to be coming on here tonight. And I want to tell you, we've got some outstanding material here tonight. Lots of good machinery here, lots of good things ready to go here. Some of the best in the United States of America here for Super Grand competition here tonight.
See, this would be on TV. This is ESPN. It's on TV. Bring Mommy tonight.
Be sure and pick up your copy of Salem Speedway Scene, the official program and yearbook of the Salem Speedway. The Salem Speedway Scene is packed full of informative articles, action photos, right there. Good job for Jim Stewart. The Gold Digger number 3 out of Rushville, Indiana.
Just go down the road.
Lot of horsepower there. Let's give him a nice round of applause. How about it? For Bob Campbell out of Rossburg, Ohio. Rob, it's all full up. So here we go. And right there, ladies and gentlemen. So there you go. Let's give him a nice round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. That could be 4th and 25th. The actual Little Brown Jug is September 23rd. But here we go now with Mark Waller. And right there, let's give him a nice round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. We'll find out who won the match here, or who won the full-off, I should say, in just a second. It's going to be Andy Lord. Here we go with Mr. Mike Carter out of Richland, Indiana.